Hello, teacher. My name is Andres Santiago Rondon, and the today present what is done on a daily basis in my two house. My grandmother is cooking. Is preparing a delicious sweetened chicken while telling my stories about my father. Is my mom just waking up and receiving a visit from my aunt? My aunt is having a coffee with my mom Willie while they are talking in the living room. My cousin and I getting ready to go for a walk. We are in the waiting room putting on our shoes to go for a walk. My mother is coming. My cousin here between the living room and the kitchen. My dad resting because he just got back from the farm and getting ready to go to working. My grandmother, my cousin, and I playing in the backyard dining room near the kitchen. In the garage, my grandmother and I preparing and eating donuts. My aunt and I lolling on the sofa, talking about working and university. He is my father, and he is resting in a rocking chair while reading a book in my second home, the farm, teaching my grandfather how to use the phone step by step while he is sharing it in the dining room of my second home, the farm. Thank you very much. To finish. Thank you very much. Bye bye.